Hello and welcome to the HelloID provisioning product release video for March 2024. HelloID provisioning is a 100% born in the cloud, easy to configure and maintain user provisioning solution. It helps organizations to fully automate the user lifecycle management by connecting the HR or SIS as a source system. Every change in this source is detected and processed into the network and your cloud applications. No more worries about stale user accounts, accumulation of licenses or access rights, manual user management, or compliancy issues. Please note that this video highlights only the new features in the March 2024 release. For more videos, visit docs.helloid.com or check out our YouTube channel. Let's dive in. We'll start with a PowerPoint presentation before moving on to demonstrate the new functionalities for the March 2024 release. We're excited to share one key enhancement in this release. We're transforming Active Directory data into granted entitlements with pinpoint accuracy. By matching accounts directly to individuals, we efficiently streamline the whole process. This not only cuts down on unnecessary steps like duplicate account creation, but also supercharges our evaluation, ensuring our HelloID state aligns perfectly with reality. It's a game changer for implementation accuracy and efficiency. We will now demonstrate this new feature. Exciting news! We've rolled out a brand new entitlement import feature under the Business section, nestled in the Entitlements tab. Look out for the new import option. This feature is designed to make it easier when adding new target systems to HelloID, streamlining the provisioning process. It's all about simplifying connections and ensuring smooth integrations. Here's the challenge: HelloID might not know the current status of your system, meaning there could be pre-existing accounts we're initially unaware of. This feature tackles that head-on, ensuring no account goes unnoticed. Without this feature, you might see a flood of new accounts that aren't actually new. They already exist. We're here to avoid such mix-ups, keeping your account creations accurate and meaningful. To help you out, we've introduced the ability to import data directly into HelloID from your target system. It's our first big leap towards perfect system harmony. A quick note: this nifty feature is currently exclusive to Active Directory on-premise. But don't worry, we're working hard to expand it to other target systems soon. Getting started is a breeze. Just pick an Active Directory system from the drop-down, hit the Import button, and you're on your way to syncing your system data with HelloID. Just a heads up, you'll need a functioning HelloID agent connection and the correlation features set up for your target system. It's a small step for you, but a giant leap for your system's integration. Once you kick off the import, HelloID springs into action, gathering all your Active Directory accounts and safely tucking them into HelloID. Here's a little tip: imports are limited to once an hour to keep the HelloID platform running smoothly. It's all about balance. And if for any reason your import doesn't go through, no worries. You can try again right away. No need to wait that hour. Once your import successfully wraps up, it's time for a little evaluation to make sure everything's in tip-top shape. This is where HelloID shines, determining which entitlements are already rocking and rolling in your target system. The evaluation leans on the outcomes configured by your business rules, ensuring the right people have access to what they need when they need it. Next up, we'll whip up a report based on your entitlement results, all thanks to those carefully crafted business rules. What you'll see in this report is a neat summary giving you the lowdown on the evaluation's outcomes. It's like the highlight reel of your system's current state. On the left side of the report, you'll find a list of individuals entitled to access the chosen target system. It's your go-to for seeing who's got the keys to the kingdom. This section cleverly excludes anyone who already has the entitlements they need. It's about keeping things streamlined and avoiding double-dipping. Let's take WM as an example. A peek at their entitlement screen shows they're all set with the necessary account and access permissions. So WM won't even pop up in the entitlement report. It's all about keeping our records as clean and accurate as a whistle. And if someone's missing from the report, it might just be due to how you've set up your business rule conditions. It's a customizable setup for your specific needs. Over on the right, the report reveals which accounts match up with folks, thanks to your savvy correlation setup. It's like a matchmaking service for accounts and users. Handy icons will let you know at a glance if an account's been located and if it's active, showing you who's got access and who's waiting in the wings. One icon for account presence, another for access entitlement. It's a simple, visual way to keep tabs on your system's access landscape. Take Justin, for example. The indicators highlight that while he has an account, our business rules suggest he shouldn't have access just yet, or perhaps his account is currently on pause in the system. Then there's Jim. Both his account and access are up and running, signaling he's all set and his account details are ready for import. Jim's good to go. And if we draw a blank, like with Kathy, it means we've got no account on file for her. It's a clear signal that we need to import this state into our records. After giving the report a thumbs up, it's time to import those entitlements with a simple click of the Import Entitlement button. It's the last step towards syncing up our system beautifully. Once the import's done, the next enforcement run might kick off a few actions to ensure everything's up to date and in sync. It's our way of double-checking everything's as it should be. You'll see a clear marker showing that an account's been imported, thanks to our new feature. And if we need to update to sync up, that'll be indicated too, a perfect blend of new meets necessary adjustment. This step ensures the account is perfectly aligned with your Active Directory setup. It's all about harmony and synchronization in your digital ecosystem. And don't forget to check out the audit logs. They're like a treasure map, guiding you to see how and when changes have been made. Dive into the audit logs, and you'll discover new insights, like the managed account status. It's a fresh perspective on how accounts are being handled and monitored. This nifty indicator tells you when a business rule has been lifted, making way for direct account management. It's a clear sign of flexibility and control over your system's dynamics. Whether it's tweaking entitlements manually or automating them, every change is recorded. It's like having a detailed diary of your system's access privileges. A final heads up: if someone's juggling multiple accounts, our import report flags it with a friendly warning. It's a heads up that could stem from various situations, keeping you in the loop, especially if there's a mix-up with accounts sharing the same identifiers. It's a signal to untangle any overlaps, ensuring each account is unique and correctly assigned. As we conclude this overview of the latest HelloID release, we hope you're as excited as we are about these enhancements and new features. They're designed to streamline your experience, improve security, and ensure your system's integrity with advanced configurations and mappings. Stay tuned for more updates, and thank you for choosing HelloID for your identity and access management needs.